Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video I'm pretty excited about because today I get to do my very first collaboration, and I'm pretty excited about this collaboration because I'm doing it with this beautiful amazing lady that I met here on YouTube by the name of Linda, and she's from Linda Tinah TV. I hope I get that right, but don't worry, the link will be down below in the description box, and I'll also put it in the comment section so you guys can go ahead and go over to Linda's channel and show Linda some love and tell her that the Delavus send you, or if you like to say Melissa send you. Show Linda some love. Linda is Ugandan. I hope I got that right. Linda is from Uganda, but she lives in Italy with her family. She has two beautiful, gorgeous kids and her husband. I met her here on YouTube and we have stayed connected. We chit chat a lot and she's amazing, guys. Go over to Linda's channel and show her some love. So today Linda and I will be collaborating and doing the What's in My Bag Mommy's edition. So ever since I have my son, I abandon my handbags because it doesn't make sense to carry a handbag and a baby bag. So I've been just carrying a baby bag around. Ever since he became one, I kind of slowly start adjusting into handbags, but I have to carry my biggest handbag. So I'm just going to go ahead and show you guys what my handbag looks like. So this is my go-to handbag these days that I have been carrying ever since Tyler turned like 1. And this handbag is so heavy because I carry just about everything in it. Everything for me, Tyler, and hubby holding this handbag. So I'm just going to show you what's in my handbag. I'm just going to pull things out randomly from my handbag and show you what's in it. It have one big section and just one little zipper from the back. So let me just start with the zipper at the back and just pull out and tell you what's in there. Okay, so in the zipper, I always have my lip gloss, which is almost finished, and the lip that I'm wearing for the day. So I always change them. Whatever I'm wearing for the day, that's the one that I'm always putting in my handbag. So I'm wearing, this is some Infallible Pro Matte by L'Oreal Paris. So this is what I'm wearing. Nothing too fancy. And also in here is this little pouch. Now this little pouch is an important pouch. This pouch have all our credit cards and cash and everything in here. So we're always having this little pouch in my handbag. Okay, so that's okay. Also in the pocket, I always have coins. This is €1 and this is another €1. The reason why I always have coins in my handbag is because whenever we go to stores, you have to put a coin in the cart in order to get the cart. So we always have to have coins. So that is the reason why coins are just randomly in my handbag. So that's that for the pockets. And on the inside, of course, I have my favorite sunglasses. This is my go-to sunglasses these days. I've been wearing these sunglasses so much. I got these sunglasses for about €8 on the mall. So that's my sunglasses. This pouch, I cannot leave the house without this pouch. This pouch keeps my batteries for my camera, which I'm recording from right now, my Canon. I have 4 batteries. The reason why I have 4 batteries is because I record a lot and I hate when my battery die on me. So I buy spare batteries. That way when one battery die, I can just easily reach for a next battery. So I keep them in this pouch so I don't lose them and I know where I can find them at all times. Okay. This here is a pack of biscuit. It's a pack of snack that I always never leave the house without this for Tyler because this saved my life so many times. If you can see, I pull it today because he had one from it, but he loved munching on these and I love giving them to him, so I always have a snack for him. Wipes. I always have wipes as a mom. These wipes never leave my bag. Once I'm done, I refill right away. So wipes in my bag. As a mom, you cannot go without your juice and or water. Normally, I have both of them, but because he just ate, I took out the water bottle and I didn't put it back into the bag, so that also holds in my bag. But this is his juice, which he had some of today and didn't finish it, so yeah, that's juice for Tyler. Snack. I always have one of these two, even though Tyler don't really eat these anymore, but I'm always prepared just in case he might want it. I always have one of these in my handbag. Don't ask me how so many things hold in my handbag, but it does. My lotion. Never ever leave the house without this. Why? Any black woman can tell you the ash is real, especially during winter time. I lotion before I leave the house, and by the time I reach outside into the car, I need another set of lotion. I even keep a bottle of lotion in the car just in case, but this is always in my bag with lotion. And this is mint that I'm always having mint in my handbag. For some reason, you might never know, you might just buck up on somebody you need to freshen up or whatnot. I always have mint in my bag, whether I'm traveling, I'm flying, I'm going downstairs or whatnot. Mint, never leave my mint. Okay, as a mom, see that it's a mom edition. A lot of referring to moms is going to be in this video. So in my handbag, I also have a spare of, what do you call these, blankets for Tyler. So I always have this one just in case I needed to wrap him up or whatnot. I always have one spare blanket. I also always have rags. I always have rags for him. And I always have a spare bib. And I always have, coming up next, a spare suit of clothes for Tyler, because my kid, trust me, if you're a mom, you know, never go anywhere without a spare outfit. And because Tyler was born with acid reflux, he used to throw up a lot. So normally I used to walk with 2 or even 3 pair of clothes for him. Now it cuts down to 1. Most of the time I don't use it, so that's a good thing, but I never leave the house without a pair of extra outfit for Tyler. And I always have extra diapers. Oh, his cream for his Bam Bam is always in my bag, but I just used it, so I took it out the bag. And the car keys always in my bag, even though I don't drive, but it's always in my bag because hubby always stuff his stuff in my bag. He's not looking at me. Oh, what else is in my bag? Another coin. And there you have it, guys. My bag is empty. Those are all the things I normally have in my bag. Nothing really for me, most things is for Tyler. So there you have it, guys. Hopefully you guys enjoy this video, and go over to Linda channel and show Linda all the love in the entire world. We're family. Help each other grow, motivate each other, show each other love. Tell her I send lots of loves and kisses. and hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up, comment down below, share, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye guys.